What is the mystery of white holes? Where did they come from? Where can you find them, and what do they actually look like? Find out the answers to these questions today in this video. You may support my channel by like and subscribe. What is white hole? For the first time, astrophysicists from Israel started talking about white holes. Shlomo Heller and Alan Ratter said that a white hole served as the source of an incomprehensible burst of gamma radiation, which was assigned the number GRB 060614. Scientists say that gamma radiation of this kind occurs in the process of the birth of black holes and is divided into two types. Long flashes last about 2 seconds and occur as a result of the transformation of massive stars into black holes, and short ones less than a second. They occur after the collision of two neutron stars. The anomalous burst of GRB 060614 was unusual because the flash lasted more than 100 seconds, but no black hole formed there. Scientists argue that if we assume the existence of white holes, then we can imagine that there was an ejection of matter from a black hole which was beyond the event horizon. A phenomenon occurred that was the opposite of the process that takes place inside a black hole, which attracts everything towards itself as a result of incredibly powerful gravitational forces. Imagine a sphere of such monstrous mass that you can only break away from its surface at the speed of light. This is a black hole. Its radius is called gravitational. If all the matter of the Sun is compacted into a sphere with a radius of 3 kilometers, it will turn into a black hole. The gravitational radius is also called the event horizon. If some object, for example a spaceship or a piece of stellar matter, falls behind it inside the sphere, then it will not return back. Enormous gravitational forces will pull it into a black hole and tear it apart into elementary particles. From a black hole, atoms fall into a white hole and instantly fly out of it, but in another universe, and fly out of the future into the past. A white hole is a time-reversed black hole. White holes are unstable. As matter forms in them, gravitational forces grow and at some point collapse the object, turning it into a black hole. Perhaps all the white holes that formed immediately after the Big Bang are now literally dead, so we can see them. One of the main reasons for studying the existence of white holes is that they can solve a mystery: what happens at the center of a black hole? What happens to all the information that is sucked in? Several theories suggest that there is a white hole at the other end of a black hole. All matter and information absorbed by the black hole is ejected by the white hole into another universe. The entrance of a black hole and the exit of a white hole can be associated with two completely different universes. And what makes this connection possible is called a wormhole. It can be thought of as a tunnel with two ends, each at a different location in space-time. Scientists have put forward an intriguing theory, believing that white holes can explain the Big Bang, as this is another case where a huge amount of matter and energy spontaneously appeared. In fact, it has been argued that the Big Bang was the result of a white hole exploding, which supposedly spewed out all the matter and information that was consumed by the black hole. Obviously, we don't know if the theory is true or not, but again, it's funny to think that life originated from a white hole. In 1935, scientists discovered a wormhole called the Schwarzschild wormhole using Einstein's general theory of relativity. The entire Schwarzschild metric consists of a white hole, a black hole, and two separate worlds connected at their event horizons via wormhole. The Schwarzschild solution has two real equations, a positive and a negative square root. The latter explains that the black hole is moving backwards in time, which is also a white hole. Under certain conditions, a wormhole can connect 2 points in time instead of 2 points in space. Thus, an object swallowed by a black hole could pass through the wormhole and be erupted by the white hole in another region of time or space. However, the concept has numerous drawbacks. For example, an object falling into a black hole would not be able to withstand its enormous gravitational pull, and since the wormhole is incredibly unstable, it will instantly collapse on itself. However, some physicists have shown that a wormhole, if it exists, could allow travel in both space and time. So does this mean that fantasy time travel movies might be possible? Oh yeah. Where would you go if possible? Scientists are still trying to unravel the mystery of white holes because no one has yet been able to detect a white hole. So far, it is just a theory that seems bright and interesting enough. Proponents of this theory believe that they are hard to find because they are located in areas where there is no cosmic matter, since it is capable of destroying a white hole. One atom can make such an object unstable and it will explode. At present, there are no known physical objects that can be reliably considered white holes. Bye. By the links in the description you will find my Telegram channel and Instagram, where I publish new content every day. Hugs!